been a little MIA all day, but for good reason. Come on! Come on! Come on! No! My phone broke, so we were at the phone store for pretty much the whole day. And then once I got my new phone, it took about 3 hours for my phone to turn on, so I didn't have a phone for most of the day. But I digress. As y'all can see, back on my sourdough game, and my starter definitely wasn't quite ready today, but I got so excited that I put together a little loaf just to do the whole process and then realized that she really wasn't ready. So I'm gonna feed my starter tonight and then actually put together a good loaf in the morning. For now, with this, I'm just gonna make a focaccia because I don't want to waste it. And then guess what? I get to have some bread tonight. Into the oven she goes. I don't know how long, but it's gonna go. I don't have a phone case, so I need to be super careful. I did overnight a phone case, also Carl did as well. And then we went online and we looked and we actually ordered the same phone case. So he was like, you return yours. And I was like, I ordered mine first, you return yours. I low-key want a chocolate chip cookie as well. I know. You're having the sourdough. Oh. When is this from? 3/24. When was the 24th? All right, I really don't have time to make more cookie dough, so I decided to go with a hold the cone. You know, I'm just gonna take the whole box up because I gotta go upstairs and clean my room. That was the agenda for this evening, was to clean my room. But then again, we were at the phone store all day. It was a whole situation. And anyway, let's clean my room. I just realized that Dexter is not down here. Oh, and the gate is open. Fancy seeing you here. Someone please remind me, next time I go out shopping and I tell y'all, I take you with me, we're going shopping, tell me to check my gift card pile. I don't even want to show y'all the laundry pile, but we're taking care of it right now. White Lotus will be on in what, 40 minutes? 40 minutes, set the timer. 37 minutes. We're getting this done in 37 minutes. Should we make coffee?
No.
You sure? This has just been a revolving laundry pile, you know. We take our clothes out of it, we wear our clothes, we wash our clothes, they go back in the pile. Y'all get the point. All right, let's do this. We got 37 minutes. Do y'all think we're gonna be able to do this? Because I don't. How do y'all like to fold? Personally, I like to take things out one by one from the big pile, fold them, separating them into different piles of what's what, put that away, and then just continue. So I kind of do it in like batches, if that makes sense. Let's start a counter of how many pieces of clothing say silly goose on them. Can't make this up. I got hungry. Oreo Puffs, cereal. They brought it back. It used to be a thing in like the 90s. They brought it back, but it's not the O's anymore. Listen, the ice cream cones are a little bit freezer burnt, okay? Updated is 8:40 and the pile is significantly smaller. 20 minutes until White Lotus. Does it actually come right on at 9? Oh, well, maybe it'll be late tonight. Okay, it's a lot smaller, but also like not at the same time, but there was a lot of clothes there. I'm gonna go ahead and get in my PJs and then we're gonna do White Lotus because it comes on in 10 minutes. And yeah, happy Sunday. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.